Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about most powerful and flexible variable in UiPath. This object variable. Okay, so why I am calling this variable as a flexible variable? Because this variable can store primitive data types. Okay, primitive data type values it can store. Okay, primitive data type value means it can store string value, it can store integer value, it can store false values, it can store etc. Okay? And like that, it can store complex type value, it can store complex type value like data table value, it can store a dictionary value, it can store dictionary value, and it can store custom object value as well. Some object value it can store. Okay, that's why I am calling object variable is a flexible variable. Okay, so whenever you use object variable, okay, you must need to cast that object. Okay, so we will learn in this video how to create object and how to get type of that object. Okay, and third one is how to cast that object. So let's begin. I'm starting Visual Studio. So till the time Visual Studio is launching, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you not subscribed. Okay, it's motivate me. Okay, once this UiPath Studio is launched, you will see this UI. So we have to click on this option, and after this dialog window will open. So we need to give our object name. So we will give demo object variable. Okay, this is already exist. So we give some other name. So after that, all things we will keep as it is, and we will click on create option. So project is creating. So once this project is created, you can see in left hand side there is a one panel with the four options: project, activity, object repository, and okay. So we have to click on activities. So here you can see one option assign. Okay, from here you can create object variable, and in left bottom corner there is a one more option. From here as well you can create the object. We will use assign activity. So we will drag and drop here this activity, and how to create an object. You can see here is a one plus sign is there. So you can click on that, and you will find third option, create variable. Or you can directly click on this text box area and press Ctrl A shortcut key and give your object variable name. So we will give obj var, okay, and hit enter. So once you hit enter now, so what will happen? UiPath Studio will create an object variable for you with by default data type string. So we will change the data type. Okay, so from where we can change, you can go left bottom corner data manager, and you can see here created object variable name where a data type is string. So we will click here and we will change the data type object. So now our object variable is created. Now we will check that it can store primitive data type value or not. It is given. So we will first try integer value 1 2 3 and hit enter. See, you can see error is gone. Now we will see string value. Suresh is also storing string value. Now we will check boolean value false. Okay, so this proved that object variable can store primitive data type value as well. Okay, so now we will cast this object into correct format. Okay, so how to cast in correct format? like I am using this string, this integer value I am storing it. But before casting this object into integer, first I should know what is the data type of this object variable. So how I can check that? There is a one method that I will show you one way. So how I can check? First I will create a variable, control K, check variable data type, hit enter. Now what I will do, I will pass my this object variable here, obj. Now click dot. Now you will get this option, get type. Okay, this we use to check the type of object. Then click, then again give dot and pass to string. Okay, hit enter. The error is gone. Now we will print this data type value. So how to print? Drag and drop message box here. Okay. Now pass this check variable data type in this text box. Okay. So click plus sign button, use variable, and click on variables. Then you will get this variable. Select this, press Ctrl S to save the project, and click on this play button to run this project. So UiPath Studio will compile our project to check any issues exist or not. If not exist any issue, then it successfully will run our project. So here you can see it is giving an error. No such host is known. Okay, so let's check what is the issue. So actually, what was the issue? My system was not connected to the internet. Okay, so that's why it was giving an error. I have connected to my system and error is vanished. So let's run again. See here you can see my data type is integer. Okay, so this way you can get the object data type. Okay, so if I pass here string now, then it will give string. Let's see, Suresh. Let's run again it, and it will give us the string data type. There is a string data type we are using. So now we know that which type of object we are using. Okay, so now we have to cast it to into correct format. So we will cast this into string format. So how to cast? There we have one way that I will show you. So we will use assign activity, assign, and we will give our name. First press Ctrl K, cast object. Okay, now we'll type here C type, and in C type, open bracket, close bracket, and we will pass our object obj variable. Now in which format we want to convert? If we want to convert int, then we need to pass int 32, and if we are want to convert in string, then we need to pass string. Okay, see, error is gone. Now we will again print this message. Okay, drag and drop, we will pass our object, cast object. Okay, control C. See, message is printing. There is a one more method is there. You can use a direct cast, that I will also show you. Direct cast. Okay, and we will same it is, we will pass our object, comma, then string, then we will run. is printed successfully. So this is the way we can create an object and get the type of object variable, and cast the object using C type and direct cast. Okay, and if you want to make me a video on C type and direct cast on detail, please comment below. I will make that video as well. Okay, and I hope you understand this video. If you understand this video and found helpful for you, then please don't forget to hit subscribe button. Okay, motivate me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.